We've started this project from scratch. We've developed a two-storied modular style classroom constructed in our yards in Drury and then delivered. And so today we are delivering the first two, and then the following day on the 10th we will be delivering the second two. And then obviously we have our site works to finish off, which we've been constructing the components in the yard to speed up our time frame on site. It allows the speed to be controlled better from a health and safety point of view. We get to construct them at one level. We don't need two levels, which needs escalated labour. And so it just gives us a bit more economy of scale to be building on the ground floor for all of them. And then we use cranes and delivery trucks to assist in the delivery of the multi-storey. Some of the advantages for multi-storey, and these are the considerations we had in our design phase, is volumetric style building, so that we could go up to maximise the school space. Obviously they can't get more green space for the kids. And with the change to the MDRS and the HDRS, so that's the medium density and the high density rules, we're going to get more families with more kids in all areas of New Zealand. So this is an option that we've come up with to help the schools out to go up rather than out. The school that we've delivered this first project to have a health and safety committee. So I've spent the last 4 weeks convening with them, meeting with their health and safety team, meeting with the craneage guys on site to finalise all the health and safety paperwork so that we could make sure that everything was in place.
The environment you're in and people clearing the people out of the area, and there's just the dangers underneath, and that the rigging especially is attached properly and up to its capacity. So each crane has a different capacity at a different distance. So basically we measure the distance, determine the weight of the load you're picking up, and that will determine the size of the crane.
We're one of multiple projects on the site from school close until they reopen on the 6th of February 2025. The school came to us and in February 24, they said we would like to engage you in a project. We then engaged some draftsmen, some engineers, some fire team, and also hydro and mechanical engineers. And we pulled the team together, which basically started on the full design of the project. And we did it in 3 stages. So we took it to 50% complete detailed design, and we had that in a time frame so that we could meet the school's expectation. We then took the next stage to 90% detailed design, and then 100% detailed design. So once we'd got to 100%, we'd already ironed out a lot of the issues that the school wanted us to resolve. And there was a couple of things that came up in the design, which we were able to overcome at an early stage. So the time frame from then to building consent stage made it a lot easier. We were in council for a minimum amount of time, and then we were able to maximise our construction time before the school closed. Once the craneage has been finished today on the 10th of December, including Christmas, we have until the 24th of January. So we have a mere few weeks to finish the decks, the ramps, the handrails, connections, all of the data and everything that's connected into the school systems, and have it compliant, ready for council inspection on the 24th, obviously also doing all of our commissioning so that everything's ready to go for the Teachers 2025.